problem.
Okay, sir. The next class will be more important, sir. New topic.
Yes. Actually, I always do that one, but sometimes I forget. That time you should remind me.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
No problem.
thank you so much that you reminded me. I started it by myself. No one told me that we did the recording, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are most welcome. Now you are seeing the screen, right? Google Forms.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this is class 8 final exams. Yeah, we are going for the responses. We have 13 responses. Then
Sir,
you
these will be uploaded in class 9 Google Classroom group, right, sir?
which
Page.
one?
Sir,
Yeah,
these
the
recordings will be
recordings. Yeah,
uploaded.
all will be uploaded in the class 9
Class 9
classroom.
Google
Yeah,
Classroom.
yesterday also I uploaded. Didn't you see?
Yes, sir, I saw. Yes,
Yeah,
sir, yes.
so I did it in class 9.
Thank you.
So
Okay.
yeah, individual that one. Let's start with Saad. Okay, Saad, then Shafqat, then uh, after Shafqat, then Rohim, Adnan Rohim, because they have less
Ravi.
mistakes. Yeah, after that we will go to other students. Okay, can we do this way? It is my
Yes, sir.
plan. If you want, we can change the plan.
No, we are okay.
Okay, fine. Because they have less mistakes, so it will be easier to finish their one, right? Faster.
Yeah.
So this, you can take the screenshot when you are seeing your mistake. You can see the screenshot. Okay, this one you did mistake.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, why? Sir, what is the answer here, sir?
you get the answer. I won't say you. You
I
find the
think,
answer
sir.
from here.
Sir, I think C, sir.
Yes, that's it. I'm telling.
Yeah. So what mistake you did? You think that one?
Sir, sir, actually, I made the mistake here. I used the formula work done here, but it should be mgh formula. If equals to mgh, gravitational polarization energy formula
It's fine
should be
if you
here.
are even using force into distance move. That is also giving you weight, right?
Yeah, wait.
Here you are not getting the force directly, so your weight is giving you the force.
Force.
Okay, in that way you can also make it correct, right?
But
If you are
how, sir?
considering that formula, force into distance move, that one you can also proceed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to convert it. 480 will be the weight, right? Or the force.
Yeah.
You
480
have to,
Newton.
yeah, 480 newtons. Then 480 newtons multiplied by 0.25,
25 meter. Equals
yeah,
to 6.
divided by the time, right? Power equals work done by time.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Because if you are getting
Yes,
the
sir.
same mistake, the other students, we shouldn't explain it again.
Sir, what should be the answer?
So
C,
you
60.
get it now. You multiply. You have the calculator with you. Multiply now and tell me the answer. You should do some work on your copy or anywhere. You should write. Do the working. Everyone do it. Everyone. If you are sitting idle, it is not good. During the class, you should do work. You should take the notes. I told you the formula. Power equals work done by time. You should write it. E equals W by T. Then you write in place of W.
Yes, sir, it comes 60.
Yeah, in place of W, you write F into D. Then you write In the place of F, you write 480 Newton, right? Because it's the force. Clear to you? Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so if you
Sir, I think somebody is waiting in waiting room.
sure,
Yes, sir.
okay, Faiza is there. Faiza, thank you so much, Kazi, that you reminded me about the waiting room. Now we can go to other question now.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Faiza, have you joined?
Hi, sir. Yes,
Thank you for joining. And we are now going through Saad's paper. Please concentrate here, right? Now this one. Can you read, Saad?
The diagram shows four identical cans with outside surfaces either polished silver or painted dull black, each containing same volume of water, initially at 80 degrees Celsius. After 5 minutes, in a cool room, which can contain the coolest water?
Okay, so which one?
Sir, B.
B.
No,
Who is saying
not
B?
B. A.
Saad is saying B, or any
No, Adnan.
what is the principle of heat loss or heat gain on the color? What is the principle? If it
Sir,
is black, then it will
it will be hotter.
gain heat easily, and also it will lose it easily, right?
Yes,
Depends
sir.
Yes, sir.
on its surroundings. If its surrounding temperature is more, then it will take heat. If its surrounding temperature is less than it, then it will lose it easily. But in both the cases, it will do the work faster. The black thing, right? Is it clear to
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you are confused with A and B, right? About C and D, you have no confusion
Sir,
because there is lead, right? So
Yes,
if
sir.
there is lead,
yes, sir.
then it will stop the convection process, right?
Yes, sir.
But here in A and B, by the convection process, the heat will be lost more faster than C and D, right? So we have to focus here in A and B, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, in comparison to A and B, which one do you think will lose heat easily, dull black or polished?
Dull black.
Dull black. So what should be your answer? A, right?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any queries? Please tell me.
আচ্ছা
After
Sir,
স্যার
can you
লিডের
explain why is
ব্যাপারটা
it all
একবার
black?
বলেন তো স্যার
again,
স্যার লিড হোয়াট অ্যাবাউট দ্য লিড স্যার ওয়ান মোর টাইম
yeah, the one with lead, I told you that will preserve heat
ও
because
আই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড
because convection process is not working here as it is not open. It's clear now?
Yes,
ইয়েস
sir.
স্যার
Okay. Any more questions?
No, sir.
Sir, can you explain why is it dull black again?
Okay, dull black.
ফ্যাক্ট
The dull black loses heat easily, also gain heat easily. It depends.
Yes, sir.
It depends on the surroundings. Like if you are keeping it in a place where the surrounding area is more hot, more temperature, then what it will do? It will gain heat easily. Then
Yes, sir.
in the opposite condition, if its temperature is more, that the container has more temperature, but the surrounding area it has less temperature, what it will do? It will lose heat easily.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? Both
Yes, sir.
time black. Black can absorb easily. Black can also lose easily.
Emit receiving.
We can go to next, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Uh, how many questions you got wrong? Sad? Two, right? This is the
Yeah.
last one. Yeah, this is the last one. So read it, Sad.
Sample of 4 different materials at room temperature are heated from below and heat transfer upwards. Uh, in which material is all the heat transferred by vibration of molecules?
So vibrations of molecules happen where?
Solid.
Solid. Excellent. So how many solids are there in your options? Mercury is solid.
Only rubber.
No, sir.
There is only one solid given, right?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
I don't expect it from you, Sad.
স্যার এতগুলো এমসিকিউ ছিল স্যার মাথা স্যার অবস্থা খারাপ
MCQ you wanted and MCQ you
স্যার
preferred. All of you
ম্যাথসেও তো
preferred.
ছিল
Yeah, numerical questions also there, but I gave you enough time. Time was less or time was enough?
না স্যার টাইম ওয়াজ লেস স্যার ইফ ইউ
Time
হ্যাঁ
was
স্যার,
really less.
একটু লেস ছিল।
হ্যাঁ
Okay,
একটু
okay.
ভাবনা
Sir,
একটু
if
ভাবনা
there
ছিল।
was more 10 minutes, then it would be okay.
We would have been all correct.
There was
There
no
was more time.
numerical maths, then it was
Okay,
correct.
next time exam I should increase the time. Do you expect
Yes,
that?
sir, yes,
Okay,
Yes.
then you can do more better, right?
yeah.
Inshallah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your opinions. Don't hide anything. As our principal ma'am was saying, don't hide anything, right? Express everything, whatever is in your mind. Okay, we are going to now Shabkas 1. Let us go there. Where is Shabkat? Here, Hamid, right?
Just
This one.
yes.
Hamid 1. Okay, so here we have this one. Yesterday we discussed this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
They who are absent, you please check the recording. We will not repeat it. This one also we discussed yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday's class recording are available in Google Classroom. You should check that one. So
It is also discussed.
yeah, this
Yes.
one is also discussed. So your one is done.
Yes, sir.
You see how we are going faster because many of the questions were discussed yesterday. Now Adnan Rahim. Here, this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please go through the recordings. Even after that, from the recordings you don't understand, then you tell me, sir. Even I
Sir,
was
Adnan got 15.
yeah 15.
Hello?
Yeah,
Oh,
কই?
I am really
Nice.
happy with his result and his effort. Okay, his sincerity.
very good, Adnan.
Yeah. So this one is discussed yesterday, right? This one should be larger bulb. Okay, to make it more sensitive. Then anything else? This one is also discussed yesterday. Adnan, please watch the recording. Okay, this one we did not yesterday.
This one is not discussed.
Yeah, this one we did not discuss yesterday, so we will continue this one. Adnan, read.
Sir, when a piece of smoldering rope is held at the opening of the box in the diagram, smoke moves in the direction indicated. What is responsible for the movement of the smoke?
Okay, how long will be our class? Can anyone help me?
Sir, 11:10.
11:10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just remind me, okay? Because last class they did not remind me. That's why I was late to join your class. Now, please. This one, what is responsible for the movement of the smoke? Look, here we gave the smoke, right?
Yes,
Just
sir.
we hold it here, the rope, it's moldering rope. That means it's a little bit burning, right? Got it.
Yes, sir.
And here we gave one candle, right? Burning candle. And due to this burning candle, we have here, air inside, right? This glass fronted box, inside it there is air molecules, isn't it? Hello, Adnan.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
uh, in this place, the air molecules are getting heat from the candle. Those are becoming lighter, less denser. They are going up, right? They rises up. Here,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this air molecules staying here, they rise up this way. So when they are rising up, this place will not stay empty. Will it be empty, or there will be some air molecules will fill this gap? Huh, Adnan?
Yes, sir.
Some air molecules from the surrounding, they will fill this gap. So it will happen from this side. Okay, from this side,
Yes, sir.
some air molecules will come and they will fill this gap. Okay, and when they are coming
Okay, sir.
from here, that time this place will not even be empty, or it will be here space. Some molecules from upper side, because we have here number of air molecules fixed, right, in this container, right? So some air molecules are going
Yes, sir.
out from this box. So the space is getting, it will try to take some air molecules from outside to fill that gap. Okay, is it
Okay, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Then from outside, when the air molecules will come inside the glass fronted box, it will not only take some air molecules, it will also take some smoke particles with it.
Okay, sir.
And this process, the circulation of fluid, we know that air molecules, gas, then any liquid, all these are together called fluids, right? So they can flow, right?
Yes,
That's why
yes,
they
sir.
are saying fluid. There is flow of the air molecules, or there is flow of the fluid. That's why there is convection, right? More denser molecules is going down, and less denser molecules are going up, right? You can remember the convection process here, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it? So it is convection. It is
Sir,
convection, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
sir, where we can use the theory of movement of free electrons?
Movement of free electrons, look, we get free electrons only in metals. That is one point. Okay,
Sir, can you go through my one more time, sir? Just the
I will
problems I will
I
see
will go. I
if I.
will go until the last student is satisfied. I will be going and going. We have another lesson, right?
Sir,
Today.
there are two processes, no sir, convection and conduction.
There are three
যে
processes:
যে আরেকটা
হ্যাঁ ওটাই
conduction,
বলছি আরেকটা কি
convection,
convection
radiation.
আর
Listen,
radiation.
students. Uh, Abid Hussain Rabi and all other students, Qazi Jawad, all uh, I strongly determine that until the last student is satisfied, or until the last student you get your answer from the exam paper, I will continue this way revision. Don't worry, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then we will start the new things. Otherwise, you will have always confusion. This will make the other things boring. You should learn it. You should finish it. Then we can go to the next, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Even Faiza joined today late. Even Faiza's one we will discuss. No problem. The next class we will continue. Now look, this one. You have any more queries about the
No.
movement of free electrons? Saad, you got your answer, or
Yes,
you
sir. Yes.
have?
No.
Okay.
No more
There is
queries.
no metal. That's why no free electrons. This one already we
I will explain.
discussed. Yeah, this one. This one we did not discuss yesterday. So continue. Adnan Rahim, continue this. It is a difficult question. It's not an easy question. That's why it's fine
Yes, sir.
that you did mistake here. I am not unhappy with this one. But the easier one, you are doing mistake. That one I am not feeling good. Okay, continue.
Three solar panels have a total of area 7.2 square meter. Together they produce 1 kilowatt of power. An area of 1 meter square of each panel receives 0.8 kilojoules of energy from the sun in 1 second. What is the efficiency of the solar panels?
Okay, I told you I would give 5 questions difficult. It is one of them. Okay, out of 20
Yes,
questions,
sir.
I gave 5 questions harder questions with more difficulty level. This is one of them. So this one we have to find the efficiency, right?
Yes, sir.
Efficiency formula, yesterday we discussed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Useful useful
Energy
output energy
output.
by input, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Input
sir.
energy, or useful power output by input power. This both formula we can use, right? It depends on the question. So here which formula we'll use?
The power formula, sir.
Yeah, power one. So we have together they produce 1 kilowatt power,
But sir,
right?
I have a question.
Let's discuss, then you ask me question. We finish it, huh? Then we'll
Yes.
have question. So here they gave you some information. You take them. These 3 solar panels have a total of area 7.2 square meter. Okay, together they produce 1 kilowatt hour. That means all these 3 solar panels, 7.2 square meter, they are producing this much of power, right? Now an area of 1 meter square. So they did not give 7.2 now. Now they gave how much? 1 meter square. That's making the question difficult. Now of each panel receives 0.8 kilojoules of energy from the sun in 1 second. So this one is taken from the sun, right?
Yes.
This
Yes,
one
sir.
is taken from the sun. So it is input, right? And the one
Yes, sir.
producing, that is output. That's the thing you should identify from the description. So
So
here
we
we
will
got,
multiply the 7.
yeah, first you find for 1 meter square the power you get. Here we have
Yes,
the
sir.
energy, here we have the time. Here we have
Yes.
kilojoules, we have kilowatts, so you do not need to change. Keep it like that. This kilojoule, kilowatt is making this question a little bit more difficult. Sometimes students are converting, right? Here,
Yes.
if we divide with kilojoule per second, then it's coming kilowatt. So it's directly coming kilowatt. You do not need to change.
Yes.
So 1 meter square, for 1 meter square, you are getting 0.8 kilowatt. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
For 7.2, how much? Get it. The total square meter is 7.2. So for 7.2, how much you get?
7.2 multiplied by 0.80.
Yes. So tell me, what is that? Tell me the value.
Sir, 5.76
5.76 your input power.
power.
Your output power is 1 kilowatt. So write the formula. Efficiency equals 1 kilowatt by 5 point, 5 point what?
76.
76.
5.76.
Then find it. What is coming? Multiplied by 100%.
Yes, sir. 17%.
Sir,
Sir.
how we find that it has a total area of 7.2?
It is written in the question.
Oh,
That's why, listen, Kazi Jawad, you should write. Otherwise, you will forget the steps. Please write. The steps I told you. Please write this. I told you here, this is input. Right? So you should label it as input. Okay. In your copy, you write that the input is 0.8 kilojoule divided by 1 second, that is making 0.8 kilowatt. Okay, that is your input for 1 meter square, isn't it? Hello, Kazi. Kazi,
Kazi.
yes, sir. The input is 0.80 kilojoules.
kilowatt,
Then,
kilowatt.
oh, kilowatt.
Yeah,
Yes,
0.8 kilojoule per 1 second. So it's making 0.8
Sir, the
kilowatt.
class is about to end.
Here now, this much
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. Now we have 1 meter square, but the solar panel has total surface area 7.2. So if 1 meter square is receiving 0.8 kilowatt, then 7.2 square meter, how much it will receive? 5
7.2
points,
multiplied.
yeah,
Yes.
5.76, right?
Yes, sir.
5.76 kilowatt is your input power. Now you use the formula. Efficiency equals output by input. Okay, got it?
Sir.
Multiplied by 100%. Is it done?
স্যার এখানে কিলো জুল নিয়ে মেসড আপ হয়ে গেছিল স্যার
Hmm. Now
So,
it's
sir,
clear.
sir, is
Yeah.
5.76 is the output power or input power?
Input.
ইনপুট
Because it's taking
Okay.
from the sun. Taking from the sun.
Okay, sir.
পুরো
Getting
পেপারে
from
আমার
the
এই
sun.
পুরো পেপারে আমার এই প্রবলেমটা করতে ঝামেলা হয়েছে সবচেয়ে বেশি অনেক টাইম।
It's
So it
getting
comes
from the,
13.88.
so how much is coming? 1 divided by 5.76. How much is coming? Or should I write everything for you?
17%.
Should
Yes,
I
sir,
write
17%.
everything for you?
Yes,
Kazi.
sir. Can you write it?
So look,
স্যার ফার্স্ট
this,
ক্লাস টাইম ইজ ওভার স্যার
yeah, no problem. Until you are getting your ideas, I will continue, no problem.
ওকে স্যার
Look, this one is given 1 meter square. Huh? Energy from the sun. So this one is input. Huh? You write here input. This one, input. From the description, you can identify which one is input. Okay. This one is giving you energy. This one is giving you the energy. And this one is giving you the time. So your power here, input power, right? P in. P in is How much? 0.8.
0.80.
0.8 divided by 1, right? 1 second, right? Multiplied by
Yes.
7.2. I'm doing all together, okay? Why 7.2?
Total area.
Because of total area.
Total area is multiplied here. Power in is now coming 5.76, right? Sir,
Watt. Yes, sir. 5.76 watt.
kilo.
So, kilowatts, sir.
Yeah, kilowatt. You are missing kilo again. So, what do you think? This type of questions, I give you few questions. That's better for you, right? If I all give you easier questions, then you will not learn, will not understand. You will not face the difficulties the way you are facing in O level.
Sir, I am facing only one problem, sir. There, like per input, huh? What is the like? It will be like, sir. Why it is multiplied by 7.2? Like it is the
They
total
are
because it
saying,
is the total area.
you see, the area is given here 1 meter square. For 1 meter square,
Hmm.
you are getting this input.
It produces 0.80.
So
Yes, sir.
total input you have to find, right?
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Now it's
Oh,
clear.
understood, sir. Yeah, yes.
Now everyone can do it, right? 1 kilowatt divided by 5.76. Then it's coming 17%. Okay, that's all
Understood.
for it, or we should continue more. This one.
No, sir. That is for okay, sir. Why, why the input output power was 1
It's given
plus
there like they are saying it's produce. Together they
oh
produce this
1.
power.
Okay, okay. Understood, sir. So,
Okay, done?
understood. Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Okay, then we are going to next question.
Is the time finished?
How long is our class? 11:10, right?
After 11:10,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Again,
So
we
we
have
can
class.
conclude here. Let me check he has any more questions. No, it's done, right? We are done with
Okay, sir. In next
Adam
class, can
Waves
you
one.
show my copy?
Yeah, sure. We will show. I told you I will show everyone's until you are satisfied. Okay? Okay, you
Okay.
join 11:45. You have next class, right?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.